weeks or whenever it looks dry is what they
Just
said.
figure once
That's
a
what she
month.
said.
First of every month.
Exactly.
Oil it or
Moisturize.
moisturize. As it gets older, it has to be oil.
I forget what they call it.
Dry hole.
It don't work that way.
You don't want to hit like 8 dry holes.
And how do you know that it's never been drilled? Does the soil turn red?
It's a bad
We're
word.
gonna get these bags going.
Cool.
Wow. Wow.
There's a knot.
Turn it on.
What's the matter?
It's at 16%.
Push the button and hold it till you see
There
the
you
little
go.
M come on it, and then let go.
Oh my goodness, what is this? Nice. Thank you. I'll take
Did you
that.
get rings?
Is that
I mean, what
too?
could be inside of it, I
no.
wonder.
That looks like a valise.
I mean, chop chop.
Stephanie and the the ringer cannot look out.
So now guess. Guess who it's from
Mom,
based on that.
now what do I do?
I don't know whose writing that is. It's not Julie's.
Now what do I do, Mom?
No, I don't know either. I'm just saying
yours.
who would call you the dude in Stephanie.
Mom, what do I do?
Rant? I don't know.
That would be.
What do I
Ramsey?
do?
Well,
That
let's
would be-
find out.
That's what I want to
shall
like.
we?
Can we guess
I
it?
have my suspicions already.
It's
You
not.
were- you
it's
were-
not their right. It's not.
It's
her
not
writing.
them.
You
No.
were so confused.
Well, it's like I should know. I'm like, I don't know whose writing that is.
I'm. My guess is it's
Louis and Ramsey.
yeah, Louis and Ramsey, and not Louis' writing.
Is that
No.
Ramsey's handwriting?
If it was Louis' writing, it would be in a crayon and be
Yeah.
like all caps and unlegible.
And misspelled.
Yeah.
No. You read
No
or me read.
offense, Louis.
On your wedding, after the cake's been cut, the last song's played, and all the guests are home. After the gifts are opened, the pictures are hung in their frames, and your wedding day is a happy memory. Oh my god. That's when your real life together begins, and when two people love each other as much as you, that's the very best part. Congratulations. We are so happy for you two. The best is yet to come. Love, Ramsey and Louis.
It is
All right.
Ramsey.
Yeah.
There you go.
Hey,
Stephanie-
Brian.
Yada yada yada.
Right.
Stop blabbering and open it up. Chop chop.
Ramsey, no.
He doesn't then put it at the suitcase.
All I can say is I had no control over this gift. She said, you take the money and Brian takes the
The
whites.
whites.
Niall and
And then in Louis' writing, Nihilus, congrats on the new lady friend. Help her procreate.
Check it out. Open it up.
The whites.
The whites.
The whites.
In there.
The whites.
The whites.
Show us your whites, man. Show us your
The
whites.
ringer
Cooper,
cannot
go
look
to another
empty.
room.
You would have to know the movie.
I love it. I love it.
oh, honey.
But I do believe in the Big Lebowski. Doesn't he say it's his dirty
Yeah.
whites?
Well,
I told him he had to wear them.
and actually
Thankfully,
we
these
had
look
that
unworn.
exact conversation. Yeah.
They may be worn.
They're unworn.
Oh my gosh, that's hilarious. You knew that.
Yeah.
Oh, that's
I would
We're writing it down.
yeah, I would separate.